Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add funds to MetaMask via bank transfer. Now first you launch up MetaMask, okay? Make sure you choose your network, so it's either the Ethereum main network or the Binance network, whichever one it is. So here we can click on buy ETH, okay? And you can choose to buy the crypto with cash, and you have these options. We'll choose buy with cash. And here, of course, make sure you've chosen, Ethereum, the crypto you want to buy. Choose that cryptocurrency, or let's say you want USDT. That's what I usually get. So we'll use the Ethereum network, and the amount can change the currency as well. You can choose, let's say, US dollar, and then you enter the amount, like whatever you want. Hit done, and you can choose a payment method as well. So in this case, you can choose bank transfer, or you can use your debit or credit card that is linked to your bank, right? You can do that as well. Bank transfers give you the highest buy limit. This one gives you the lowest buy limits. And you choose it, you get your codes, right? It will fetch the codes for you, and you'll get new codes in about every 20 seconds or so. You can choose, whichever provider you want. You can continue with them, whichever one you get the best prices on. But it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.